Kakan hu lan ka seng ka bala Pynïatylli yaki Niam Bapher hanang ba Shillong hakini ke Snem ke bala deb lani ka Shillong All Faiths Forum SAFF mantaka sngi ka la pelong ya ka jengrakhe ya ka jengdap Snem ka dia Lynti ka jongka ya ka dia ka jengrakhe la pelong ba benchi hola umkhra hakaba ulat ka jella ulalong ukongsan hakani ka jelang la dalang presiden jongka forum u bishop pilingdo atau vice president unaba Bapher charji u general secretary bat kiwi de kinengelam nakin Niam Bapher hakani ka jengrakhe la yo ya ka jengkran nakin ngelam Niam Bapher kibla thu wa kumlu kumkani ka kanhun ka ra ban Pynïatylli bat wan ra ka jia trailang hapreng ke kanhun Niam Bapher hanang ba Shillong la pen sangkun ka jengrakhe da ka chat rai naki hun samla kini ka digajing yathu jong o president jong forum u bishop pilingdo hakabide bakajia Lynti bakajin trikam jong forum hakani ke Snem ke baladab
Each of our state Mikala, but Saff, as you have heard just now, was formed during the COVID problems. The government had invited the faith leaders to assist in helping people creating awareness among the people regarding the medicines, injections and all that is necessary. So as a Saff, we had helped the government in forming those SOP, Special Operation Procedure SOPs. We had formed those, submitted to government, and they have been accepted. Then besides all those, then in the course of time, we have also met with the government with regard to drugs abuse, drinking. These are social issues which are so pertinent in our society. So we are still working on this with the government. And then besides all that, the best part of Saff is that we are able to come together, to sit together as people of different faiths, which has never happened in the past. Now it is possible. That's what I said. Though we belong to different faith communities, as we see today in our country, there's so much problems. But Saff is a small seed that we have planted 3 years ago. This is our prayer, this is our hope that it will continue to grow in the sense that continue to bring people together. And whatever service, whatever work that we are able to do, the government, but the society required of us, the Saff is there, always willing to help and to be of service to the society.